In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Power BI reports online for free. By the end, you'll know how to take a report you've built in Power BI Desktop and make it viewable on the web at no cost using the Publish to Web feature in the Power BI service. A quick but important note before we start: Publish to Web creates a public link. Anyone with that link can view your report, and search engines may index it. Only use this method for data you're comfortable sharing publicly. Start by opening your report in Power BI Desktop. Make sure everything looks the way you want it to appear online, and save your changes so your latest visuals and filters are included. When you're ready, go to the Home ribbon and click the Publish button on the far right. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll be prompted to sign in to the Power BI service. Use your account to authenticate, then continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose a destination. Select the workspace where you want the report to live in the Power BI service. If you don't have multiple workspaces, you can use your personal workspace. Confirm your selection and wait for the success message. This message tells you that the report has been uploaded to the cloud and is now available in the service. Now open your report in the Power BI service using your web browser. Navigate to the workspace you selected and look for the report you just published. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or check the reports section within that workspace to confirm it's there and opens correctly. With the report open in the service, go to the top menu and choose File, then Embed Report and select Publish to Web Public. The service will explain that this option makes your report accessible to anyone with the link. Review that message carefully. If the data is safe to share, proceed. Power BI will then generate a public link and an embed code. The link can be shared directly, and the embed code can be placed on a website or blog to display the interactive reports. Because this is public, take a moment to confirm that no private or confidential information is included in your visuals, titles, or tooltips before sharing. And that's it. You've published your Power BI report online for free, starting from desktop and finishing with Publish to Web in the service. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your insights quickly and safely.